Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Draining a Bobcat fuel tank is a key task for maintenance or fixing fuel contamination. You must follow safety steps first. Park the machine on a flat surface. Turn off the engine and let it cool down completely. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Most Bobcat models have the fuel tank behind the rear door or under the cab. You can use a manual siphon pump for this job. This method is clean and very effective. Insert the intake hose into the fuel filler neck. Place the discharge hose into an approved fuel container. Pump the handle until the fuel starts moving. Keep pumping until the tank is totally empty. Some older machines have a drain plug at the bottom of the tank. If yours has one, place a drain pan under the plug. Carefully unscrew the plug with a wrench. Watch the fuel as it drains to check for dirt or water. Once the tank is empty, clean the plug and screw it back in tight. You should also replace the fuel filter at this time. This ensures no debris reaches your engine when you refill the tank. Never pour old fuel on the ground or down a drain. Take it to a local recycling center for proper disposal. Keep your work area clean to avoid fire hazards. Check all hoses for leaks before you finish the job. Make sure the fuel cap is tight after you are done. This process keeps your Bobcat running smooth and prevents engine damage from bad fuel. Always handle diesel carefully to stay safe while working on your heavy equipment.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.